In today's video, we're taking a look at an Eachine product. However, recently I've been very hesitant to recommend anything until I give it its proper go. So I have been using this for the past week and a half, and when I first received it, I got all of the worst impressions looking at the propellers, the frame. I was just like, I don't think this is going to be good. But to my surprise, and I bet you anybody else's surprise, if you fly this, this might become your favorite 1S brushless whoop. And I know that's such a big statement, but just bear with me here. So first of all, let's get the accessories out of the way real quick. You get 4 650 HV batteries that are terminated on Xt30, which is really nice. You get 1 charger, which does not work, but they do provide the adapter, which is really nice. Some tools, a prop remove, and some extra propellers. And also the HGLRC, because this thing can record 4K OSD here. So let's talk about this. Why would I say such thing as this might become your favorite 1S whoop? Well, let's put it this way. The power is almost to the extreme where you can't fly it indoors. So it's hella powerful. That's one thing. Number 2, it is quiet, almost as quiet as a Nanohawk, but not there. But it is quiet, and you could fly this indoors without really bothering people that much, like with a 2S whoop, for example, indoors. So that's 2 things right there. Another thing, 4K recording capabilities. I know it's nothing new, but holy crap, it's really nice on such a platform, because this was impossible a couple months ago. Not a couple months ago, maybe 8 months ago. This was almost impossible to have something that performs this good. Wait, and this efficient. I forgot about the efficiency. This thing was flying for 4 minutes when I was going apeshit crazy. That is another huge thing. It's checking every single box, which is unheard of, really. And now longevity, I cannot answer that for you. So that is a gamble you have to take. But for 1 week and a half, I've been using it for at least an hour a day. It's still proper. Nothing. It took a bunch of hits. It's still good. However, I've only been flying it indoors. I have not flown this outdoors. So this is all indoor stuff. And usually these are just meant for indoors. You could probably take this outside, fly it around, but you might have some vibrations or oscillations. I don't know because I didn't fly, but that is a possibility. I would give it a 50-50 chance of happening. So that's something to keep in mind. Now, what I would give this out of 10 is a 9 out of 10. The only difference, or the only thing I wish I would have seen, is just some sort of a carbon fiber frame. But at the same time, if you wanted to stay at this weight with a carbon fiber frame, I think, especially Eachine's carbon fiber, I think it would just break faster than this plastic, honestly. So I think maybe this was the best route to take on this. So final thoughts is this thing gets a 9 out of 10, and I would recommend it. But again, I recommend it in terms of my experience. I don't know longevity experience. And there's also one more thing to take into consideration. Check every single screw. I cannot stress that enough on any quadcopter you get, not only from Eachine, from everywhere, HGLRC, iFlight, whatever you buy. Check every screw, because you'll break your quadcopter if a screw falls off and it's the wrong screw, especially a motor screw. That could really ruin a lot of things for you. So check everything before you go fly. And 4K, efficient, fast, a bunch of batteries, and what else do you want? I'm going to leave it at that. Everything's linked down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.